everyone. Today we learn school supplies vocabulary. Are you ready? Let's go. Pencil. This is a pencil. Pencils can write about 45,000 words before they run out. Eraser.
This is an eraser.
Erasers were first made in the 1770s using rubber. Notebook.
This is a notebook.
Students use notebooks to write lessons and ideas. Ruler.
This is a ruler.
A ruler helps measure straight lines and length. School bag.
This is a school bag.
Kids use school bags to carry books and supplies. Crayons.
This is a crayons.
Crayons come in more than 120 colors. Scissors.
These are scissors.
Safety scissors are made for kids to cut paper safely. Glue stick.
This is a glue stick.
Kids use glue sticks for art and craft projects. Sharpener.
This is a sharpener.
Sharpeners keep pencils ready to write or draw. Marker.
This is a marker.
Markers are used to write in bright and bold colors. Highlighter.
This is a highlighter.
Students highlight important notes in yellow or pink. Lunchbox.
This is a lunch box.
Lunchbox keep food fresh at school. Water bottle.
This is a water bottle.
Drinking water helps students stay active and focused. Calculator.
This is a calculator.
Calculators help solve math problems quickly. Chalk.
This is the chalk.
Teachers use chalk to write on blackboards. Whiteboard.
This is a whiteboard.
Whiteboards use markers instead of chalk. Desk.
This is a desk.
A desk is where students sit and study in class. Chair.
This is a chair.
Every classroom has chairs for students to sit. Compass.
This is a compass.
A compass is used in geometry to make circles. Paintbrush.
This is a paintbrush.
Paintbrushes are used in art to create colorful pictures.